it was a success because people also came, and it's something that they support local entrepreneurs, they support our products.
Hakasaw tarik unailar hajar arpuar ikong Nadia Dakar ibalong inong sengkam bat itrai ka fabulous family store ni ka yo online ka bajudi ki jan khulung ilayo ban Pynlong ya ka yo Iathied ha all saints hall kajing thmu kajong i kalong ban lum ban lang ya ki para nong sengkam ki bam yo kalat ban pli ya kajong kadukan hapo shnong hathau ni haki yo ki hat Henry ki babun ki juka mai ling ba ki online store Shi-Sngi layo banyawan snok tilang na kishpotli dukan de marying ki bakan thup na du ki jan ki nep ki mombati shnahi ki khil sintiu ki tiar khasi tenrai bat kiwe de.
We are the local entrepreneurs, so we actually, some of the collaborators, they don't even have a store, they are homegrown base. So what we do, I have a store which is called a Fabulous Family Store. I deal on kids wear. So I was thinking that why not organize a small collaboration within the local entrepreneurs. So I started contacting some of my friends, and they were so happy to join us. So it was a success because people also came, and it's something that they support local entrepreneurs, they support our products, because we are not those big business so it was really nice. Like, we never expected this crowd, but we are very thankful to the people and supporting us, giving their love, because all of us are small business. So we have many collaborators. I have collaborated around 10 of them, and we deal in different products. With some, they deal on shoes, you have seen, and kids wear, and we have a small cafe. We deal on accessories and many more other things like the homemade candles and the homemade products. So we have the traditional items also. They are with good quality and they are very nice. So I hope people can come, but sadly we were able to do only for one day.
Di baret mamo dang wanang taka di kesim ke menikong ti ke depan jenilu idan pop mulai jesut tika depan jengga ka dukan jenilu ke ketengka kidi store mama jesut ti ni bu ikini kitiak mama di kini ya ngidak persang ikini ru di kopor bang ngidak selangka lockdown menikong.
I am from GNC store. We are from Meghalaya, and we have a store in Meghalaya. And here we are, we display these ceramic flower vase, which we transferred from Rajasthan. And we have there are different kind of vase here, like as you see. We have the small one and the big ones, like different size.
We chose polywax for our candles because it's more environmentally friendly. We use fragrances and essential oils as well. So you can contact us by following us on Instagram as well as email us at sgcandles@gmail.com. Thank you.